Hi everyone, it's Darlene here to do my October boxycharm unboxing, and let's just jump right into this. If you don't know what boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription. It's $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size items, sometimes 6, and it's always over $100 worth of products. And this is what the box looks like, and let's just jump right into it. This month's theme is Altered Ego. As you can see, this is the card. In the inside it has all the products and the pricing, and on the back it has coupons. So the first thing in the box, which I already know that I love, it's the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara, and this retails for $24. I did not open this. I am actually wearing my eyelashes today, but I'm using an old one that I have because I did not want to open a new one when I already have one opened. And this is what it looks like. Somebody's ringing our doorbell. I love this mascara. It does give you a lot of volume and it separates well. My eyelashes always look amazing. Here's a close-up of my eyelashes today. And this one's a little more dried out because I've had it for a couple of months now open. So it's an older one, but I didn't want to open a new one because I have a lot of mascaras actually opened at the moment. And my next thing in the box is a face mask, and it's called Lace Peel Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. And I actually have not tried this out yet. I'm going to within the next couple of days. I just received this yesterday and I didn't want to use it just yet. But this is what it looks like. And there's actually like a tube thing in here, and you can feel the lace mask on this side. So let me go ahead and just open it and kind of see what it looks like. It smells really good. Okay, so there's more than one mask in there, and that is what it looks like. So fancy. Oh yes, this is a good look for me. Do you like it? That is so cool. Who would have thought what people come up with? Well, then the product that you put on it comes in a little tube like so. And it's actually sealed, which is good. As you can see. I'm not going to open it just yet. I'm going to wait. Wait, darling, wait. So yeah, maybe Friday night I'll have to do this, and I can record a video if you guys would like. Comment down below if you guys want me to record a video using this. And I also got, okay, and this retails for 30 bucks. 30 big ones. The Pure Complexion Authority is the next thing that's in the box, and it retails for $38. And I'm wearing this on my eyelashes as today. And I went in with Hidden Secret is my transition shade, and then I put Reveal on top of that to kind of deepen it up a little more. And then I went with Sneak Peek on the outer corner and kind of worked it halfway through. And then I went with Twilight in the inner corner. And then I used it on my brow bone as my highlight and in my inner corner. And then I used a little bit of this is a bronzer slash highlight on my cheeks, and I used this one as a blush, and I actually recorded this look, which I'll be actually uploading if you guys want to see how to get this look. And yeah, I use this is on the eyeliner and on my bottom as well. So yeah, love it. They blend really well. I didn't have any problems with this. And like I said, this retails for $38. The next thing that's in the box is this Kat Von D liquid lipstick, and I'm wearing it today, and it is the shade Love Sick. It's a really pretty mauvey, pinkish, purplish color. I really do like it. I actually have never tried the Kat Von D liquid lipsticks. And this is what it looks like. I love how skinny the tube is and long. It's really cute. But yeah, this is the color. It is kiss proof, which my husband will appreciate. And this retails for $20. And last but not least is the Green Clean Pharmacy face mask. And my mom actually won this inside of a boxycharm giveaway that they had. And she loves it. I haven't got to try it yet. As you can see, it smells really nice. It almost feels like, it reminds me of a coconut oil. Like the texture is like a coconut oil. But it smells so good. I can't wait to use this. I can also do another video of me actually taking off my makeup with this. If you guys like, comment down below if you guys would like that video. You guys seen this, and this retails for $22. But yeah, as I was saying, my mom had actually won this in a giveaway, which I helped her enter, and I'm like, man, whammy. I wanted to win that, but it's okay. I'm happy for her. So the total value of this month's box is 134 big ones for only 21 bucks. You cannot beat that. And that completes my BoxyCharm unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. God bless.